my L might look like that, but my next one, I might have it so it's got a loop. And that's okay. So thick down, thin up. Well, most of the time you'll probably want to join them, but sometimes it's absolutely okay not to join your letters. So I'm writing Halloween, and if I did my N sort of up here, it would look like suddenly it's going whoop. And if I did it too low, it looked like it was falling off the line. So if I take a step back and I look and I can see, okay, I need it to be sort of here so that it looks all balanced. So then if it's a thin line, you need to be going up, nice blending like that, okay? So we'll have a bit of a play with that, and then I'll show you one more demonstration of thick ones there. It's lovely. You see it's got that purple colour, and then as I use it, it will go back to being the pink. Oh, I love that. Do some dots all over your letters, some lines, or you could add shadow. So that's for the stippling, like doing little dots or over the top of the lettering.